Welcome to a video where we taste very, very old homebrew.
This is gonna be so good.
This is Rob. This is Jason. We did this once before.
And it was gross.
It was terrible. This old homebrew is legit. The first time was like 3 or 4 years old. We're probably in the same ballpark. We actually scoured our old recipe archives and we couldn't even find the recipe.
They're that old.
They're that old.
The recipes were purged. My computer crashed like 4 years ago.
And we lost recipes. So we're going to try and guess what these are.
I think I know what most of them are.
You do? Okay,
Not all
good.
of them.
Okay.
I know what probably 60% of them are.
Okay. Let's get started.
All right. You know they're excellent because the caps are all rusty and the bottles are covered in dust.
And this is before we were bottling with labels on a lot of time during this time.
Yeah.
So this is old school. This is like early brew day stuff.
Early brew day. These have been stored in a cellar that gets probably 90 to 100 degrees in the summertime.
Yeah.
So ideal storing temperature for home brews. So this is an IBL.
India Black Lager?
India Black Lager.
Really?
Yeah. That's what that is.
Do you have any idea?
I don't remember the profiles at all.
Okay.
I remember what they are based on the cap.
I was gonna go.
Just the smell of that, I can already tell.
It smells sour. Did you get a whiff of that?
Yeah. I mean, it's black. The color's nice.
Dark.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell that bad actually.
It was more that first off gas.
Yeah. It smells kind of chocolatey.
It smells. It's got chocolatey notes. I feel like it's got some like cherries.
Yeah, totally. Cherries and chocolate. This smells pretty good. I actually really like that.
That's pretty good.
You know what this tastes like, and everyone out there is gonna be shocked. Have you ever had a West Letterman 12? That like holy grail of beer?
Yeah.
It tastes like that. It has like this Tootsie Roll, chocolate Tootsie Roll thing going on. It's like it's oxidized, but in a good way. But like barely. I mean, it's like meaty and roasty, cherry. This is one of the best beers I think we've ever made.
Well, it's so good that we have the recipe, so we can recreate it.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. So we don't know the recipe, but
it's all downhill from here.
Yeah, it's always gonna get better than this.
All right. In keeping, let's hit the old brewing next.
Okay.
Because I have a feeling this one might still be on par with that one.
Okay.
In terms of quality.
So this was an oat brew we made. I think we did it the quick way, if I recall.
We did it once the quick way and once the long way.
Okay,
I think this is the quick way.
This is the quick way.
Yeah.
Okay. Probably about the same 4 or 5 years old. And this is obviously not Salty Scott is not what this is, but
that is a very good beer though.
Yeah,
I would recommend it.
Man,
a little cloudy.
Yeah, it is, but it's on par to style. It smells like raisins. That's okay.
Pretty one note.
One note. It's really lemony.
The sour is like, it's not
complex.
It just tastes like you just added lactic acid.
It's what we all taste like. It does.
Yeah.
It's like a brown ale, you add lactic acid to it. Yeah, it's really tannicky too, as it opens up a little bit.
The aftertaste it's like cloying and off note at the same time.
Yeah, it's true. Next.
Let's do one I have no idea what it is.
Okay.
All right. This one is a C7. Is that a G?
Or is that a G?
Might be a G. If it's a G, it's a Goza. This is dark for a Goza. This might have been a red Goza.
Oh, a red sea experiments?
It might be the Red Sea.
Oh, that is phenolic. It's extremely oxidized, whatever it is. That is extremely oxidized. It's not a Goza.
No. I'm done with that one. That's not good.
Now, there's a chance the color wasn't supposed to be like this.
There's a chance. It's aggressively not good.
It's very carpety.
Yeah, it tastes like carpet.
Yeah.
Do you want to do another sour?
Yeah, let's try another sour.
I'm pretty sure this is a Berliner Weiss.
A BW? Okay. It's clear. Super clear. Oh! That smells terrible.
It smells like...
Oh, it smells like cardboard.
It smells like... No, you know what it smells like? You know when you have a Band-Aid on for too long and you take it off?
Totally, an old,
and
really old
like,
Band-Aid.
The skin is all wrinkly and wet. That's what it smells like.
It does, actually.
It doesn't taste bad, though.
No.
It doesn't taste good, but it doesn't taste bad.
It's definitely a little vinegar in there. Am I making that up?
You're not. It's really like not tart, but it like puckers your mouth for sure.
And a little vinegar. That smell is rough, so it's overriding the taste.
Mm.
It's in there a little bit too, and it's vinegary a little bit. The taste is better than the smell, but it is not aged well.
It hasn't aged well.
Oh,
Let's do an experiment. This is the experiment 3A. I remember.
was this the one where we add like apricot to one, and then we did like something else the other, dry hop the other? We split. I think we split this up into 4 different batches. It's possible we tasted one of these on our first video we did for this as well.
I think because there was the experiment 1A,
I think we had a
2A,
1A,
and
yeah.
3A.
I think 1A we did in the video.
Yeah.
I think.
I don't know what the heck our numbering convention was all about, but what? Bottle bomb.
It was due. We were due.
Interesting color. Muddy.
It's
really like, it's got like particulate in it.
the smell. You know what it smells like a little bit is a natural wine. It has like a funky pet knot smell to it a little bit. Have you had this before? Like really funky pet knots. Kind of smells like that. That's not the end of the world. There's apricot or something in that. It's fruity.
I got a chunk of something. Apricot, I think.
I think this one that had actual apricots in it.
I think so.
'Cause it has
That's
a
probably
fruit.
what the chunks are.
That's probably why it was overcarbonated. It like re-fermented too
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. If
Like,
this was
oh,
like
it's
my
alright.
first year homebrew,
Yeah.
it's fine. Especially for it being stored at 90 degrees for
Yes,
5 years.
Exactly.
You know.
Considering that, it's
Considering the
pretty decent.
conditions it was stored in, it's not bad.
And for how long it's been. And the nose has like a little funky thing going on. It's not the worst.
Funky and chunky.
Yeah.
I have no idea what this is. It says too dry.
Now this could be.
Too legit.
You know what this could be? So this one says 3A, as we said
So
earlier.
this is dry hopped.
It said earlier, yeah. This is the dry hopped one of the same batch.
Okay.
I'm thinking
Okay.
a little overcarbonated, as you expected.
Nice color. It's nowhere near as like chunky as the
No.
other one.
It smells similar to that one actually. Oof. It's creamy.
Well, and it's like, because if it was dry hops, it's been 5 years.
Yeah,
so there's
there's no
going
way
to
it's
be no
around.
nose left.
But what's that
at all.
creaminess in there? Am I making that up?
It's creamy in a bad way.
It's so oxidized. I think that's what's going on too.
Yeah. Need more water. What do you think C is?
Let's try it. So this one says C on the top.
It's also one of the dustiest, so I think it's one of the oldest.
I like that because this could be, we're looking at like real history here. This could be 6 years old. It's like dirty, it tastes like dirty glassware.
It's like dishwater.
It's like dishwater. It's exactly what it is. It tastes like dishwater.
It's got that like that mouthfeel is like it's like soapy.
Yeah, it's like soapy dishwater. And I'm guessing maybe cream ale? It's too dark for cream ale. Oh, god damn. What are we doing?
I don't know. This says L. This has to be like a lager.
Now-
I'm guessing.
Okay, it's different than what the IBL is. This must be...
This is just L.
Could it be...
And it's super like rusty.
Get it in there.
I mean, it does look like, if it is a lager, it's a dark.
It's dark.
lager. Yeah.
Oh man, it smells like
Ooh.
burnt crayons.
Oh. It smells like
Oh,
it smells like charred blackberries,
it does.
right?
It does.
Like if you put blackberries in a skillet and like burn the crap out of them. That's what that's what it smells like.
The taste isn't the end of the world. It's not great, but it's definitely one of the better ones in the last like 3 or 4 we've had.
Mm-hmm.
It's sort of like roasty, burnt, a little dusty sort of smelling, a little dirty.
It's not good though.
All right.
This is a 1L, so I'm pretty sure we did them in the ass backwards order.
Oh yeah, so like 2 dry hopped, 3A,
and
1L.
So I don't know what the L stands for, but I think it's in the same series.
Yeah, I think it has to be. What would that be? Lemon maybe? Do we add lemon to one?
Maybe. Lemon apricot dry hop.
Maybe. And one regular?
This one's chunky too. It's got bits.
Tastes like pine sol. It has lemons in this. I think it's lemon.
It does. Once you put it in my head, like I hadn't
salt.
swallowed it yet,
Yeah.
and my body was like, "This is poison."
Get it out.
I'm swallowing cleaner.
What have I done?
More cleaner.
Was this a Magic Hat clone attempt? That's why one had apricot in it.
Maybe.
I think the initial base was a Magic Hat clone, and we did one with actual apricots to replicate that, and then dry hopped one and one with lemon. Get into the bottom of it.
This is I think it's RK or RX. What do you think?
I think it's next. So what we did for this, we found about Red X malts.
Oh, that would make sense.
And
RX, Red X.
Yeah, and it was, we had this obsession to try to make a Gosa Red. So I don't know if this is, we're trying a Gosa with the Red X malts.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll find out. Tiny bit. Probably more brown though than anything. Copper or something.
It's not really red.
Oh my god, it smells so bad. It smells like really oxidized cardboard. You know what's a good test though? To really see what off flavors are.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This tastes sour. If we think it's the sour we're trying to do.
I think it, because you can kind of taste the salt too.
You can. You're right. It is sour. And it's sour. The nose is so bad. It's weird because the taste is decent.
What do you hold your nose? It tastes like lactic acid if you do that.
Yeah, he's right. Just like lactic acid. Well, there has been worse in the bunch. So this was very, very interesting because I think it was 50% Red X, 50% wheat or something like that.
Yeah.
But we found out later, I think to make it red, you have to add like special bee or add a little other like touch something else, a little bit of chocolate malt or something.
Yeah. Because
Red X by itself won't turn beer red, from what I've noticed. For better or worse, this was very, very interesting to do.
Give me some more of that IBL.
As we're closing out, we're going to do the very first one we tasted because it is amazing.
And by far the only one worth drinking.
So
I wish we had other friends over so that we could give this to them and be like, we made this 5 years ago and it's still delicious.
Yeah, it's aged so well. So thank you for watching. I don't know, get out there and try really old homebrew, or don't. Just throw them away, really, because
throw them out.
Just do it.
Just dump them.
Yeah. Unless you're doing this to see how old it gets and for fun, then do it. If not, yes, toss them.
Although I do think testing your palate for off flavors,
Jackie has a point.
It is valuable in that regard.
Most of these are very oxidized.
Yeah.
And you can really see what that smells like. So, see you guys next time, and get out there and keep getting weird.